Hello learners. In this video, we are going to learn about new concept about the map function. In the last video, we already learned about the filter function. In the same way, we can use the map function with the some different functionality for this. Right. So this map function will take two parameters. One is function as an argument, and second is iterable, which is to be mapped. Okay. So this what the use of this map function means. Um, I can say that. So for every element in a iterable, so that will apply a particular function, and I can create a new list uh, from the given list by applying a function for it. Okay, so I can say can manipulate a list with the help of specified task mentioned in the function for every element in the iterables. Okay. For example, I can give one example. Say, for example, I have a list. Say it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as values. Next, so suppose I want to multiply each value with the 2. Okay. For that, I'm going to create a function, say double even, and I'm going to create a new list. And for every element in the list, I'm going to multiply by 2, and I'm going to store in the list, and I'm going to return the value, or I can say return that particular list. Okay. So and this is the function calling, and I'm going to print that particular result. Right. So when I run the code, so I'll get the result as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means for every element, now this 2 is multiplied, and okay, the new list is created with the updated values. So in the same way, instead of writing these lines of code, so I can use a map function. Okay, right. So in the map function, so I'm using this, say, so in this case, so this map function will take one function and iterables. In the same way, I'm using this double even function and also the number, that is your list. Okay. So when I say this function, so this function definition will just change, right? Right. Okay, I don't need this. It's not right. Okay. So I can say I'm going to create one function, say double even function. Now for I'm passing a single value to this particular function, and I'm going to return number start. That means multiply 2, and I'm going to return the value. Now I'm going to pass this double even function to the map function. Okay. A map function, and I'm going to pass the iterable, the number list. Now what this map will do, now this map function will apply the each items present in the list to that particular, it will be passed to a function, and required the task will be calculated, and that will be stored in a particular list. Okay, actually it will be stored in the map object. Then we are going to convert to a list, so we'll get the result in a form of list. Okay, right. For this also, when I run the code, so you'll get the same result saying 2, 4, 6, 10. Okay, so instead of writing these many lines of codes, I can reduce the number of codes with the map function, and we'll get the same result.